Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my new video. So in this video I'm going to show you another problem, which is replace minimax. So first of all, you can see you have to find out the minimum, and then you have to find out the maximum, and after all of this you have to replace those number. So if you see the example, you can understand this problem properly. So we go to the example. So in the example, you can see here is 5, which is the size of array. Then you can see here minimum number is 1 and maximum number is 10, but in the output you can see 10 is replaced by 1 and 1 is replaced by 10. So first of all, so you can see here they take a input from user. So we have to write int n is equal to sc dot next int. Then we have to declare the array, which is int array is equal to new int n. Then we have to run a loop, which is for loop, and we write int I is equal to 0 and I is greater than n and I plus plus. So then we have to take the array. So we write array of I is equal to sc dot next int, and then we have to take two variable, which is mini and maximum. So first of all, we have to initialize those variable. We write int minimum is equal to array of 0, and then int maximum is equal to array of 0. So then we write if array of I. So then we write this, then we copy the loop for loop and then paste here, and we write if array of I, if minimum is greater than array of I, then minimum is equal to array of I. So we write minimum is equal to array of I. And then what we copy the case and we write if array of if max is less than array of I, then max is equal to array of I. Here we define minimum and maximum. So then what can we do? We have to take another two variable, which is index of those minimum and maximum. So we write integer minimum index is equal to array of I array, not array of I, 0. So then int maximum index is equal to 0, max index is equal to 0. So we take those variable for replace those numbers. So first of all, minimum index is equal to I, and then we write max index is equal to I. And then we write another case, which is if array of minimum index is equal to max array of maximum index is equal to minimum. We swipe, it's called swipe those number. So it's not swipe, it's kind of replace those number. Then we run another loop which is for loop, and here we took int I is equal to 0 and I is less than n I plus plus, and then we write shout system.out.print and then array of I plus and space, and we run the program and copy the example and paste the example here. So I paste the example here, and you can see the answer is correct according to our example 410318. So then we copy the code and go to the submit code and paste the code here, and submit to the and click to the submit button. So then here it's accepted. So thank you for watching my video. Hope you understand this problem. Allah Hafiz.